Hello, my name is Scarlett Tuwelsey, and today you're watching my weather channel thing. Today, it was September 25th, 2015. It was partly cloudy with a high of 20 and a low of 4. Winds of 30 km were in the north, and it felt like 15 degrees. The humidity was at 55%. Today we had a high of 14 and a low of 1 degree Celsius. We had winds of 3 km in the north and it felt like 14 degrees. The humidity was at 55%. Today the high was 16 degrees Celsius and the low was 7 degrees Celsius. The humidity was at 45% and there were winds of 19 km in the north. Today there was a high of 16 degrees Celsius. The low was 2 degrees Celsius. The humidity was at 31% and it felt like 14 degrees. Today there was a high of 18 degrees and a low of 3 degrees. Today there was a high of 22 and a low of 3 degrees. There was wind of 8 km per hour in the north and there was a humidity of 81%. Today there was a high of 15 degrees and a low of 2 degrees. Today there was a high of 20 degrees and a low of 7 degrees. Today there was a high of 3 degrees and a low of 0 degrees. Today there was a high of 5 degrees and a low of 1 degree. Today the high was 14 and the low was 0 degrees. It was October 5th, 2015. Fast flex. Number 1. As far as countries go, Canada is pretty much the coolest. Literally, it vies with Russia for first place as the coolest nation in the world, with an average daily annual temperature of minus 5 degrees, 0.6 degrees Celsius. The lowest temperature ever recorded in Canada and North America, the village of Snag, Yukon, minus 63 degrees Celsius on February 3rd, 1947. Get the shovels. The greatest single-day snowfall recorded in Canada was February 11th, 1999, when Tatsa, British Columbia, was blanketed with nearly 1.5 meters of the white stuff, 145 centimeters to be exact. That broke the record of 118.1 centimeters of snow that fell on Lake South Lake, British Columbia, on January 17th, 1974. Neither is near the world record of 192 centimeters set at Silver Lake, Colorado, on April 15th, 1921. Canada's coldest city, tied between Saskatoon and Regina, with minus 50 recorded on February 1st, 1893, and January 1st, 1885, respectively. The most recent sub-40 temperature recorded in the Canadian city, Sherbrooke, Quebec, at minus 41.2 degrees Celsius on January 15th, 2004. There's a saying in Canada that if you don't like the weather, wait 5 minutes. Never could that have been more true than in Pincher Creek, Alberta, where Canada's most extreme temperature change was recorded. The mercury soared from minus 19 degrees Celsius to 22 Celsius in just 1 hour. There were only supposed to be 5 facts.